I think about some of my shortcomings and I think about how I grew up, and I use those things now to make sure that I steer in the right direction and don't fall back into those things because I want to be a better person and I want to have a better life. I grew up in a single parent household. I know what it's like to grow up without a dad. So now I make sure that I'm very involved in my kids' lives. I make sure that I spend a lot of time with them. I make sure that I'm always there and I am that father that I wish I would have had. And not having a father has motivated me to try to be the best father that I can be. Another thing that I use to keep me motivated and keep me on the straight and narrow is my struggles with addiction. Growing up with the parent who was a recovering addict, and those nights that were really rough for me as a kid, and having to deal with a lot of that trauma that came from that stuff is not something that I pass on to my kids because I myself can't cope with a lot of my own issues.